How to apply a file template to target host with Ansible? It is extremely useful for service configuration file, placeholder web pages, reports, and so much more use cases. I'm going to show you in a live demo with some simple Ansible code. I'm Luca Berton and welcome in today's episode of Ansible Pilot. Today we are talking about Ansible module template. The full name is ansible.builtin.template. It's part of Ansible core and is included in all Ansible installation. It templates a file out to a target host. Templates are processed by the Nginx 2 templating language that is very powerful. Also, you could use some special variable in your template, Ansible_managed, template_host, template_UID, template_path, template_full path, template_best path, template_run_date. It supports a large variety of operating systems. For basic text formatting, use the ansible.builtin copy module, or for empty file, ansible.builtin.file module. For Windows, use the ansible.windows.win_template module instead. Parameters. Let me highlight the most useful parameter for template module. The only required parameters are src and dest. The src parameter specifies the template file name. Templates usually are stored under templates directory with .j2 file extension. The dest parameter specifies the path where to render the template to on the remote machine. The validate parameter allows you to specify the validation command to run before copying into place. It's very useful with configuration file for services. Please note that the special escape sequence %s is going to be expanded by Ansible with the destination path. If the backup parameter is enabled, Ansible creates a backup file including the timestamp information before copying to destination. Let me also highlight that we could also specify the permission and CLinux property. It's usually very common to specify the permission to file. Demo. Let's jump in a real-life Ansible playbook to apply a file template. Are you ready? Let's have fun! Welcome to my editor. I will show you one simple playbook how to deploy one HTML placeholder with Nginx web server. First of all, let's start with one play name template module demo that is going to target hosts all, so all the hosts of my inventory. I need root privilege to install packages and set up this stuff, so become true. Let me define two variables, page_title, that in my case title will be placeholder, and page_description, that will be the text inside my page and will be very long, so let me start with a pipe and begin a multi-line text. So this is my placeholder page example. Here we are. Then on the next line, let me write also multi-line is possible. And let me add a smiley. Yes, why not? Let's have fun. So here we are, we have our two variables, and then let's begin the task session with two actions. First of all, let's verify that Nginx is installed. So name install Nginx web server. Here we go. Is a Ubuntu, so we are going to use ansible.builtin.template for package installation. Our name will be Nginx of the package, and state will be latest. Yes, because we want the latest version. Then let's start another task, apply page template, and this time we are going to use ansible.builtin.template. Here we go. Two parameter mandatory, src, that is the source of my template. So templates / placeholder.html.j2. Here we go. And destination will be /var /www/html/index.html. So here we are, one simple playbook to set up a index.html with one placeholder page defined in a template. And of course, we are going to install the web server if it's not present on the target host. We define two variables, page_title and page_description. And let's jump to my placeholder.html.j2. So this is supposed to be only one simple HTML page. So let's begin with HTML, then the head section. As usual, it's very easy. Then we are going to add also the title tag, and inside the title I would like to use my variable, the one defined in Ansible. So page_title. Here we are with the value of a variable that we can use because Ansible is going to replace with a value. So let's close title, close head. Then after head there is a body. Here we are. And let me close also HTML before to forget. Here we are. I would like to add one heading section. Heading 1, here we go, with the same variable, so page_title. And then after this, I would like to add one paragraph, so p tag. Let me close it also, and will be the value of the variable page_description. Yes, here we are. So we set up a very easy HTML page that is going to show to the user the value of page_title and page_description that we defined in our playbook. As you can see, this is one of the powerful of Nginx language, that we can use some variable defined in our playbook, and this is very powerful. You can customize as you wish the placeholder, but in a few lines of code we are able to apply one customized placeholder for all our server, for example. Does sound very powerful? And yes, of course, we are going to install Nginx web server if it's not present on the target host. So let's go to console. Welcome to my console. First of all, let me connect to via SSH user DevOps to my Ubuntu machine that is going to be hosted in ubuntu.example.com. This is the first time, so I need to accept SSH key. Then let me sudo su for becoming root. Let me verify the release with lsb release. Yes, it's a Ubuntu 20.04. In my case, apt list installed Nginx -a, and we verify that is not installed. Latest version is 1.18, but the base was 1.17. Let me list the content of /var/www, no result, so which means that the web root is not present on this machine. Let me exit from root, exit from user, Ansible-playbook-e, because I would like to specify also my inventory file and my playbook. We are going to execute my playbook that is going to do only two tasks. First, install Nginx and all the software dependency on the target machine with apt, and second, to apply the placeholder page. Status is changed, so something applied to the target machine. Let me execute again to verify the idempotency, this time only OK, so no action performed. Good job, but I don't trust Ansible, so ssh DevOps at ubuntu-example.com sudo su, let me verify what is going on. So apt list installed Nginx -a, yes, here we are, installed version 1.18 in my Ubuntu machine. Then let me list /var/www. We have a subdirectory now under HTML with index.html that is exactly the template that we were expecting. Here we are, as you can see, Ansible substitute the variable with a value. So let me cut, and now we can see the title is the placeholder that we expected, and in the paragraph there is the text. So good job, Ansible, you installed Nginx web server and then apply the HTML placeholder in the right file with the right permission. So here we are. The last check is to verify with our browser if this page is available. So welcome in my browser. I'm going to type the host name of the target host, so ubuntu.example.com, and here we are. We have our placeholder page well served by our Nginx web server. So pretty cool. In a few lines of code we were able to set up a web server and customize the page. You see the powerful of the template module, because you can use some customized variable, you can extend as much as you want, and there is a lot of documentation for this Nginx language. So enjoy the fun! Now you know how to apply a file template with Ansible. If you liked this video, give me a thumbs up and see us on the next lesson, and have a fun with Ansible. This video is part of our Ansible automation program. Sign up today on www.ansiblepilot.com for uninterrupted exclusive video and so much fun.